If your wipers stop working on your vintage Mopar, we're gonna show you what to do here. So there's a bushing here, bushing here, bushing here, and there's a bushing right there. All right, tune in to Fantastic TV Tech Tips here for a 1975 Dodge van. And this is a common issue. It happens in a 76, it happens in a 75, it happens in lots of them, where the wipers, you can see there, we've got lots of play here. It's because the bushings have gone bad between the wiper motor mechanism and the actual wipers. So we're gonna dig into this here today. It's my first time doing it, but I want to document it and share it because it's a common issue that happens. So here we go. Buy some new bushings. Wiper bushings. This is a 10-pack. You can also get a 2-pack. 10-pack on Amazon's like 13 or 14 bucks. You're gonna need 4 of these on. I have a 1975 Dodge van here. This is what the mechanism looks like. This is what makes it your blades go. First thing you need to do is get your wiper blades off so it's down to the post. It's hard to do with one hand, but there's a clip under here. I don't know if you can see that. You pop it and you pop this clip out. Once you pop that clip, some people I've seen use like little pullers, but I'm using like a pry bar and kind of like twisting it. And it's that's how I popped it off. I put a 2x4 here for a little leverage. So you're gonna just boom, pop that right off. This is what it looks like on the underneath. That clip basically holds it on there tight. So to figure out how to get that clip in after the fact. Again, this is my first time doing this. So both are off. Now we gotta find these. We got screws here. We gotta take the wiper cowl off and probably open the hood. So we've got 12 screws holding your wiper cowl on, and actually 2 little tiny screws holding on your windshield washers. But I don't know that you need to get further into here. You could probably leave your wiper cowl sit right on top here. And this is where we're gonna dig into all of this mechanism that has fallen apart because these plastic pieces have disintegrated. So these are what they look like, these bushings. I bought a 10-pack because I have 2 Dodge vans and I'm told that I should keep these on hand. And I also got a tip to install, put it in hot water for easier slide on. And they basically pop on the back of these arms right here. Here's what the old one looks like. You can see what one looks like on there that's destroyed. What seems like to me the best way to do this, and I could be wrong, is like you fit your piece, which is like this. You can see you fit that into your wiper mechanism, then you pop it on the back of here, on the back of this right here. I'm using channel locks. Yeah, that seems to be the most effective. Put it into your thing here, and then you pop it on. So you can see that it slides back and forth like this. Where it's on, like this. So whenever your wiper motor moves, your blades will move. Now I have to do this side, same deal. This is a look at what happens whenever you have your wipers on. This moves, right? So that needs to connect to this, which connects to this. So there's actually 4 bushings. There's one on each of these right there. So we're gonna replace all 4 actually today here. So if you're gonna buy either 2 2-packs of these Dormans, or they have a 10-pack. This is the part number for the 10-pack Dorman. And I recommend starting in the back. This is the only one that was good on mine. I'm gonna replace it too. So we have all 4 freshies, but you can see here's 2 new ones right there. I have not connected this back up yet. Got 1 more to replace here. Okay, this is what it should look like when it's all together. That spins. You can see your wiper blades would be moving back and forth. I found it useful to do the ones in the back first with this piece right here. Get those together, then get your front ones. Unfortunately, whenever you shut off your wipers, this always ends up in the same spot. You can't control where this ends up. which means everything else has to go off of that. And your last one, you might have to tighten it up behind your, like behind here. Yeah, when you shut your wipers off, it always, at least for me, it's always in this position right here. So you're gonna have to work and put everything back together in this position you see right here. So there's a bushing here, bushing here, bushing here, and there's a bushing right there. And then you should be back in business. Back in business, ready for some rain, although we don't want to see rain.